This video is about the digital equivalent of passing out a paper assignment. So when we talk about online learning or remote learning, I sometimes like to compare it to what we do in our classrooms. So you might make copies on the copy machine of a learning assignment, and then you retain your original, but you pass out copies to your students. Here's how we do that in Canvas. I'm going to open this assignment up, which I've called digital equivalent of passing out a paper assignment. So you would need to have a Word document or some other Microsoft Office 365 document. That could be a PowerPoint or something that students will be able to edit and then submit and turn in. So how do we do that? So we're going to come down here. Of course, you would put your instructions here. And then what we're going to do is come down here and use I'm just going to set this to assignments. And then we're going to use this submission type, and we're going to select external tool. If you took the beginning Canvas PD this summer, this should be familiar to you. So the external tool we're looking for, we're going to click on Find. We're looking for the Cloud Office 365. This will link to my OneDrive. And Learning Tools or external LTIs, Learning Tool Interoperability, or external tools are used synonymously. So here it is, Office 365 Cloud Assignment. So this will open up my OneDrive. So I'm going to have to log in. Oh, there, did it. I think it remembered my login. Dun, 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 dun. In my OneDrive, I'm going to locate the file I want to pass out. Let's just do this Word document. Like I said, it has to be an Office 365 file. So I'm going to select that. That's a DOCX file type. I'm going to attach that. Looks like I didn't do anything, but I'm just going to click select, and now it's pointing to that file. So we're going to save. Okay, so here, if I go into Student View, it will look like this. Students can click on here, do whatever editing, or following the instructions you give them, do their work right on this Word doc. It creates their own copy in their OneDrive, and then they can submit it with the click of a button. There you go.